Latest social media updates. Meta proposes $14 per month charge for ad-free Facebook. Google Messages update officially removes NAV drawer. Twitter/X share of ad spending declines nearly 60% under Musk. The ADL resumes advertising on X after recent clashes over hate speech. Gmail will soon let you send client-side encrypted messages from your phone. WhatsApp will soon let you pin messages to the top of your conversations. X's updated link preview format, which removes headlines and descriptions, is now live. LinkedIn unveils AI tool that can create optimized ads in minutes. LinkedIn adds generative AI elements to Recruiter and Learning. Google unveils Pixel 8 built for the generative AI era. X experiments with new game streaming process to expand its content options. WhatsApp getting built-in VPN protection for calls. Microsoft releases a brand new shade of Xbox Series X controller. TikTok partners with MVVO on competition to showcase creative clips in Times Square. Zoom unveils an AI-powered collaborative workplace, Zoom Docs. For more digital trends, visit karanvalidi.com.